I love you. Gihigugmatika. Gihigugmatika.
Let's break it down. Love is gugma. Gi is a prefix to a root verb indicating action has been done. Tika is you. It's like to you. Let's listen one more time.
I love you. Gihigugmatika. Gihigugmatika.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Gi, hi, gug, ma, ti, ka. Gihigugmatika. Now it's your turn. Give me some love. Press the like button. Comments will receive a heart from me. Amping kanunay. I'll see you next Friday, mga higala. Bye!